Okay, well, I'm Vielka Almazar, and I am the CEO of the Insight Clinic and a registered psychotherapist. So today's video is about one of my absolute favorite tools to use for grounding and dissipating intense emotions, and it's called the butterfly hug. So please remember, this is an educational demonstration and not a replacement for therapy. So the butterfly hug is mostly used by EMDR, let's put the letters down here, EMDR clinicians treating psychological trauma. But we're gonna try it today for, just calming ourselves down. So I want you to sit comfortably as I am, and I want you to scan your body from head to toe and try to find where you might notice some tension or some discomfort in your body, because our bodies react to our emotional states as feelings. So then I want you to try to rate the level of discomfort from 1 to 10. Then you're going to cross your hands over your chest like this, like you're giving yourself a hug. And you're going to keep the tips of your fingers right below your collarbone, right below here. So you want to begin alternating like so: left, right, left, right, left, right. And as you tap, I want you to breathe slowly through your nose and out a little bit longer than your inhale. And you can add a phrase like, I'm enough, I can calm down, or I can slow down. And then you want to do this for about 30 to 60 seconds. For those with ADHD, maybe around the 25-second mark. And then when that time pauses, hands down, and I want you to notice what changed. Maybe your thoughts are slower. Maybe this rating that you gave of 1 to 10 is lower. But on a safety note, if your distress increased, if you're feeling worse when you tap, I want you to pause. And I want you to switch to orienting. So like, move your eyes around slowly and take the room in. Name the things that you see. Notice the ground underneath your feet. And try the butterfly hug at a moment where you feel a little bit more calm. So keep in mind that this tool is not a replacement for therapy, like I said before, but it can be a helpful support in between your sessions in a moment of distress. Feel free to bring this language back into your therapy sessions. And there are resources linked below. Let me know if you found this interesting. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to respond. And I'll see you in the next video.